Fabulous people, welcome to Rhodes Greece travel vlog. I am so excited to explore this beautiful Greek island. I've heard so much about it. I'm sure you've heard a lot about it. And if you haven't been to Rhodes yet and curious what it looks like, what to do in Rhodes, what to see in Rhodes, where to eat in Rhodes, where to stay in Rhodes, just keep watching and I'll show you everything you need to know. Now, before we begin, remember, please guys, just smash that like button right now before you forget. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I promise in return to give you so many travel tips, tricks, and inspiration from around the world. All right, guys, let's go explore.
Known as the Knight's Island, Rhodes Dodecanese is considered one of the most beautiful and popular Greek islands. Rich in history with pristine clean beaches and medieval sites, there are just so many things to do in Rhodes. One that's an absolute must is visiting Rhodes Old Town, a medieval city constructed with a castle with 6 gateways. It is one of the best preserved castles to this day and just something you definitely have to see with your own eyes.
Guys, the fun part about this place is figure out where to go because there are many different levels and I think I'm on level 1 and I'm just trying to figure out where is the entrance to the level 2, but it is so beautiful here.
You can then take a walk to the Hippocrates Square, situated in the heart of the old town of Rhodes, along the numerous streets that almost seem to transport you back to medieval times. It's incredible how well preserved they are to this day. If you are traveling to Greece in the summer, I strongly recommend visiting the old town during the morning or after 5 p.m. when the temperatures start to drop. And if you do decide to visit after it cools down a bit, stay in the old town for the evening and treat yourself to a dinner at Polo. Open only for dinner, this garden restaurant, fragrant with oranges and lemon trees, is famed across the Dodecanese for its creative flair and passion it pours into every dish.
Wow, the first impression, absolutely stunning. I'm looking forward to taste all the food, to try all the dishes, and then report back, but so far so good.
Don't call it a night just yet. Rhodes nightlife is just as fun and diverse as the island itself. Choose among numerous bars and lounges in Rhodes Old Town that serve cocktails, music, and good times. Enjoy yourself, fabulous! Another perfect way to spend your day in Rhodes, or Rodos as locals call it, is of course at one of the numerous Rhodes beaches. But with so many to choose from, which one? I got you, fabulous! Without a doubt, head to St. Paul's Bay, known for its picturesque scenery, stunning views, golden sand, and turquoise waters.
I am not going to lie, this beach in Lindos won me over. Are you kidding me, guys? This is honestly one of my favorite beaches in Greece now, officially.
Here, it feels like you're in your own little oasis, filled with peace, beauty, tranquility, and relaxation. You can go for a refreshing swim in the sheltered waters along the bay, enjoy drinks and food delivered straight to your sunbed, or grab snorkeling or scuba diving gear and head for some SeaWorld exploration. Now let's talk about some of my favorite lunch options on Rhodes Island. The first one is for all the seafood lovers like myself. It's called Avantis Fish Restaurant and it's located at Afandou Beach. Founded in 1983, this place attracts visitors from all over the island. The menu offers a variety of seafood, but what they're truly known for is the fish. And the best part, they give you an opportunity to choose your own and then prepare it for you on a traditional grill. And of course, at the end of the meal, the owner will treat you to some seasonal fruits and a shot of ouzo. And then there is Sergio's Italian restaurant. Without an exaggeration, this is probably one of my favorite Italian restaurants I've ever eaten at. Considering I've traveled all over the world, have been living in Italy for the past 4 years and run 2 food tours in Rome, it's a pretty bold statement to make. but fabulous. Trust me on this one. This family-owned restaurant prepares every single dish from scratch. Your pasta, noodles, ravioli, tortellini, everything, and I mean everything, is made from scratch and served to your table. And that right away should tell you everything about Anima del Ristorante, the soul of the restaurant, as Italians call it. When I was there, the owner just baked some fresh bread and treated me with a full plate accompanied by some butter with herbs straight from his garden. After tasting every dish and wishing I had a second stomach, I promised to myself that I will never eat tortellini from a grocery store ever again. To walk off all those calories and to enjoy some breathtaking views, I recommend visiting the magnificent Acropolis of Lindos, undoubtedly one of the most impressive archaeological sites in Rhodes, thanks to its stunning natural landscape. Just be sure to bring a bottle of water, as you will be climbing up for some time, and once you get to the very top, there is no shade to hide from the sun. Once the sun goes down, visiting Lindos is a must. You just can't help yourself but to stop and admire the dramatic natural landscape, enhanced by the picturesque views of the town. At night, you can choose among numerous restaurants, bars, and lounges in town. And if you're wondering what would be the best area to stay in Rhodes, I would strongly consider Lindos for its beautiful historic sites, sandy beaches, numerous entertainment options, and vivid nightlife. Those of you who are looking for something more secluded, I would recommend renting a house or a villa in Afandou like I did. I truly enjoyed the peace and quiet in the evening, away from the city noises, and yet the place was still in great proximity to everything. Thank you so much for watching my Rhodes travel guide. I hope you found plenty of useful information and Greece travel tips in it. Before you go and start planning your Greek vacation, please don't forget to press that like button and of course to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all at the next destination. The biggest kiss from Rhodes, Greece.